Changing the phone number on your Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, find and select the security settings section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication and phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Look for the option to change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, which may include receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After entering and verifying your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Check for any confirmation messages to ensure that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number associated with your Kraken account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken's support for assistance.